Hey everyone, Johnny from Byte Size Cruises. Today we're going to do a tour of a boardwalk balcony on Symphony of the Seas. I recently sailed on Symphony. I stayed in cabin 12319, which is aft on deck 12. Obviously the boardwalk is in the back of the ship. So we're going to show you that room. We're going to show you it inside and out. I will be back on Symphony in a few weeks and we will do a Central Park balcony as well. So enjoy the tour today and thanks so much for watching. If you get any value out of this, we would love for you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Pass it on to some friends if they'd like to see what room 12319 boardwalk balcony looks like. And then I'll give you a little caveat about the room. The room is definitely a little bit loud. I stayed in there for a week. It is loud during the day. It is loud in the evenings, especially when the Aqua Theater shows are going on, and they do go on until about 11:30 at night on the days that they're on, which is a few days. I think it's 3 days they do the Aqua Theater show, 2 or 3 days. So it is loud for those time periods, but as long as you're okay with that, I didn't have any issue sleeping. I didn't have any issue shutting the door. You don't really hear too much overflow or bleeding in when you shut the door. When the Aqua Theater show's on, you do hear some stuff, but it's not so loud that you can't fall asleep. So that is my opinion. Obviously, check it out. Let me know what you think. Also, it will depend on where your bed is. My bed was further from the balcony, so there are different configurations where your bed is closer to the balcony and the sofa is when you walk in. I would recommend, if you're a little sensitive to noise, make sure your cabin has the bed closer to the door, to the bathroom, than to the balcony. Just my opinion. So let's go check out the tour of room 1239 on Symphony of the Seas. Let's go.
I have a thing for you to put.
Welcome to cabin 12319. This is a boardwalk balcony. As you can see, I got the beds put together for a queen. Looks like a king, a little bit larger than a queen size bed. Let's see, really nice amount of closet space. You have large closet over here, tons of shelves, a small safe. You could fit like your iPad in there, not a full computer. Then you have your bed stands here. Just one large closet over here for all your hanging stuff. There's a little shelf there too for you to put stuff. As you can see here next to the bed, you are going to have a regular US plug and a little nightstand there, a little night light. You also have these little lights next to the bed here. There's no USB directly next to the bed, which is kind of odd for a decently newer ship. Do have a full sofa here, so this would be a pull-out if you had additional passengers. You have even more storage over there, more drawers. See, you have a little workstation here, which is really nice. We'll show you from the other side. So you have a really nice TV setup. Get on the other side of the room there. We'll show you the bathrooms real quick. Here's your restroom. It is small but functional. There's your shower with the plastic. Now, not the like crappy little sheets that they used to put there. You get the actual door. You have your restroom. You do have a decent amount of storage in here for all of your stuff. It's very nice. And then this is my first time staying in a boardwalk balcony. I love Central Park balconies. I did this just to get the tour. Out here you'll see the balcony is a decent sized balcony. You have 2 chairs out here, which you really, there's no easy way to show you the 2 chairs. But the chairs are here with a little table in between. And then the real kind of value of booking this room is that you get access to this amazing boardwalk area. Now if you have kids, It's probably great. It is going to be a little noisier here than it would be in a Central Park balcony. And then here's your real moneymaker. You can actually watch the Aqua Theater show from your room if you wanted to, which is pretty amazing. And we're right here by the Symphony sign, which is amazing. Once again, this is a Boardwalk Balcony room, 12319. Thanks, everyone.